I know where you're coming from. A long road and the money's gone. All the games where you played your part from the very start just to come this far. You should know I believe in you. Every race you run, you're my number one. Kick it up now and bring it on. This will be your day. 'Cause baby you were born to win.
So I'm heading to Mostar and it's a beautiful historical town. I'm leaving my hotel this. So अभी हम ये होटल को अलविदा कहेंगे और उसके बाद हम आज रात का स्टे हम करेंगे ओल्ड टाउन to explore the history of Sarajevo. So the journey started and my first destination was Old Town Mostar, which is around 2 hours from Sarajevo city, around 130 kilometers, and you can go by bus or you can go by train. Since I was driving, I want to explore one of the most beautiful road trip of Bosnia. So I'm on my way to go to Mostar, but at the same time मैंने देखा ये बड़ा शानदार जगह है. मैंने सोचा चलो यहाँ पर गाड़ी रोकते हैं, थोड़ा सा मुज़ाहिरा करते हैं हम इस एरिया में. ब्यूटी, what an incredible place. क्या खूबसूरती है भाई. So it was one of the most extremely scenic drive with plenty of tunnels and bridges in between, stunning gorges over the mountains along the river. Views were compelling and constantly to die and I stopped so many places in between. So once I reach Old Town Mostar, I want to explore the Old Bridge, which was devastated completely during the 1995 Yugoslavian war. And I want to see that, but before that I want to see the entire town and as well as Old Bridge through drone. To have a beautiful view of Old Bridge and the masjid, I had to pay 4 euros, and I had to go into this area where I can have a spectacular view of Old Town. So after exploring this old town and had some kind of discussion with some of the locals there, they told me to go and visit this Dervish Monastery called Blagaj Dervish, which is around 30 minutes away from the old town, and it is on the way to Kravice Waterfalls. So I thought it's a good idea, and I started towards this monastery. So Blagaj Dervish is just 30 minutes away from Mostar, and it's a monastery. and it is a Dervish monastery and situated on the cliff of the mountains on Buna River, and it's very beautiful building which was constructed around 1520. You can feel like it's like Ottoman architecture as well as Mediterranean style building, and it's considered as a national monument these days. So after finishing Blagaj, my next destination was Kravice Waterfall, and it is around 30 minutes from Blagaj and maybe like 40 to 50 minutes from Mostar. But since I came from Blagaj, so it around taken 30 minutes, and you can't easily find in maps. You have to follow the road signs and you can reach Kravice Waterfall. Once you reach nearby the parking, you can hear the thundering sound, the great noise of these waterfalls. This is the waterfall, which you have to see. And this thundering sound was so soothing to ears, and I spent some time there. I had some drink. I got a friend there called James. He was also a backpacker, came from Manchester, and we had a great time. Hotel California.